Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how you can trade on Tradovate using TradingView, and whatever you trade, you can copy into multiple accounts. That account may be your account or your client's account. So we are here in the PickMyTrade, and here it is a trade copier section, which is only for manual trading. If you want to do other things you can do it, it's not going to impact anything here. First I have to add the account, so I have to give which account I have to monitor. So I would be trading on TradingView from this particular account. So I want to copy the trade from this particular trade to this particular account. Here active will be yes and quantity multiplier will be 1. So whatever quantity I am trading into my account, I want to copy it into the same, then I can put the quantity multiplier as 1. Let's say, if I want to put the double quantity in this particular, I can put 2. So that's how it's going to work, and I save. Similarly, we have two accounts like, one is my account and the other one is another account. You can see both tokens are different, and their Tradovate account are also different. So in this particular case, I am copying my trade, whatever I am making on this particular account into two clients. For this client in this particular account and for this client in this particular account, and in quantity multiplier, I can add as many as I can add, and it is kind of multi-threaded code, so there would not be any latency issue, and you can add in number of accounts. Here, this account has two accounts and I want to get copied into both, so I just click one more row, and there, this is where I put this token. Let us say another account is B1 for this particular account. I can put the B1 and quantity multiplier as a 1. And just save this, so that is how it's going to work. So let me first cancel this because B1 does not exist, so it will cause an error. So once I am done with this, just click to start. Now let's go to TradingView. So there I have connected this particular account, demo 3491458. As you can see, this particular account I would be making trade. So I already opened both account. So demo 291396 is opened over there, demo 367067 is open there. Here I have changed the quantity multiplier to 2. Now I am going to TradingView. So let me try first with the market order, and I am placing 2 units and take profit and stop loss. Let me show you.
Order fill.
So there are market orders and then take profit and stop loss come. So when a market order gets filled, stop comes, and you can see in this particular account, we set the multiplier as a 2. So quantity comes to double, and here quantity comes as 2 and here quantity comes 4. So if I cancel it, it gets cancelled in both accounts. So that way I can manage a number of accounts. Now let me give a try with the sell and limit order, take profit and stop loss. So I place this.
Order fill.
And the entry order is placed as a limit order, and quantity comes as a double to 4, and maybe if you want to modify, we can modify. So this is a stop order, and let's say if I modify the price on 310, 285 is the price there, and if I modify this, you can see the price get modified to 310, 310, so that way I can manage a number of account and we support the market, limit, and stop order. Even if you take entry as a stop, it is good to work, and if I don't want to place take profit or stop loss, I just want to place a limit order.
Order fill.
So when the entry order gets filled, you can manage the position. Let us say if I close the position and close all the open orders, I click on there on TradingView, cancel, and it is going to cancel and close the position accordingly. So like for this account it was at 3 position, it was a 6 position, so it can sell out the positions. And if you don't want to watch, just click on stop and it will get stopped, and will not place trade anymore. So that is what I want to explain for the video.